This is how to make bumbleberry soda. Scale 225 grams of assorted berries and add them to a small mixing bowl. Bumbleberry is a name used to describe mixed berries. I used equal weight amounts of blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, and strawberries. Berries picked at their ripest have the best flavor. Add 60 grams of a good quality local honey and the zest and juice of 1 orange. The orange zest is where all of the orange flavor is and enhances the natural berry flavor. The orange juice is the acid that helps to separate the berry syrup from the berry pulp. Sous vide is a style of cooking that uses a water bath heated to an exact temperature for long periods of time. Transfer the mixture to a freezer bag. Remove the excess air and seal the bag. Cook the mixed berries and orange mixture in a water bath using an immersion circulator set at 85 degrees Celsius or 185 degrees Fahrenheit and set a timer for 30 minutes. Transfer the hot bag of syrup to an ice bath to cool before putting the bag into the refrigerator. Allowing the syrup to cool in the refrigerator overnight before straining creates a deeper, longer lasting flavor. Strain the cooked berries through a fine mesh sieve into a measuring cup. It is the syrup that we use for the soda pop, so do not worry about forcing all the mixed berry pulp through the screen because the good stuff has been removed from the pulp when it was cooked and allowed to cool properly. The recipe yield is about 200 milliliters. Taste the bumbleberry syrup for sweetness and flavor. Do not add too much sugar or the sweetness will overpower the delicate flavors of the berries. Fill a 500 milliliter wide mouth mason jar full of ice and pour 100 milliliters of bumbleberry syrup over top. Fill the glass with soda water. Give the soda a little stir and serve.